Meaning of home and garden television.
Home and garden television.
Home and garden television.
Home and garden television.
Home and garden television. Home and Garden Television, HGTV, is a television network that specializes in shows related to home improvement, renovation, gardening, and real estate. It was launched in 1994 and is available in the United States and Canada. HGTV offers a variety of programming such as DIY home improvement projects, home makeovers, landscaping ideas, and buying/selling homes. The network has become popular with viewers who are interested in home design and renovation, as well as those who are looking for inspiration for their own DIY projects. Overall, HGTV provides entertaining and informative content for those interested in home and garden topics.